Introducing Priorities WMS. Lift warehouse management to a new level. Streamline end-to-end inventory operations with real-time visibility, enhanced control, and automated processes. Priority Native WMS lets you automate day-to-day warehouse operations, optimize warehouse space utilization, enhance workforce efficiency, streamline logistics cycle, and employ advanced tracking and visibility tools. Leverage AI ERP's AI and machine learning capabilities to generate forecasts, and optimize pick, put away, and replenishment activities. Let Priority WMS mobile app help enhance data collection and precision and reduce manual labor. Manage your warehouse on a single platform native to Priority ERP, no synchronization needed. Want to learn more? Visit www.priority-software.com.